What is good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, as promised in the boot camp, I'm literally just going to be going through a A plus strategy for you guys. I know it's been a long time since the last video. Um, this is a new pair. I've been kind of forward testing, putting into like my arsenal of pairs. Really, I really only trade euro to the dollar and the pound to the dollar, but we've been trying to move over to the pound to the Japanese yen. Um, Recently, this has been moving a lot smoother, as you can see. I've put in a couple of forward tests, all using kind of the same entry model. So yeah, let's go through it. So if I replay at the end of Asia session, okay, we need to understand the bias first of all. If we come on to the 1 hour, we notice we've had a massive downtrend. So on the high time frame, we know we're bearish here. Okay. Now, ignore my analysis here. We're looking for a sweep or a POI we can trade off. So obviously we've got this place here of supply. Okay. Supply and demand is a very basic thing in structure of the chart. So we've got this order block here, and we're looking to kind of just tap into this and see a reaction. Okay, we know we're heavily bearish, so this is exactly what we'll be looking for. Obviously, end of Asia here, as explained in the previous videos in the bootcamp. If you've watched them already, we trade the previous session reversal. So if we sweep the high, we're looking to take out the lows, and if we sweep the lows, we're looking to take out the high. Obviously with bias in mind and structure of price as well. So we come to the end of Asia session at 6 o'clock. If I just play this forward for you guys, Asia session's ended and we've swept and we've tapped into here. Okay, so this, I would first mark out our first step, which I've gone through many a times in the boot camp so far. It would just be a sweep of high. Okay, sweep the high. This let us know that we've taken out the rest of the orders above here during Asian session, and now our target is to take out the rest down here. Okay, so that's simple. So we sweep the high, which is also a break of structure here. We will see what happens. We are going to obviously mark out our liquidity here, which would we then be looking for a sweep or market structure shift. Okay, so we'll be waiting for price. London opens here, showing bearish signs already. We've taken out this low, and this is what we call a market structure shift, because on the lower time frame we've had some bearish momentum. Okay, we've worked our way up to this order block. We've tapped this order block now. We've swept the Asia high. We've created a break of structure as we're creating higher highs and higher lows. Okay, in a bullish structure, we've broke the structure and it's called a market structure shift. Okay, so from this point on, I would look for any signs of retracement after this happens. Okay, and this is where we draw our Fibonacci retracement tool out. So simply just wait for price to start retracing, which would be here. Grab our Fibonacci tool from the high all the way to the first retracement low of this shifted leg. Okay, so now we've got these numbers all printed out here. Okay, so we wait for price to literally come up, tap our, well, any of these numbers really, but if you're using your eyes and your knowledge that we've already taught, we notice that this is a fair value gap. Okay, also a great fundamental part of entering trades for us. So these two combined is a great entry for us. Literally there on there. Stops usually will be above the high, so we will do that. So let's say just 25 pips. Okay, we are going to target the low. So at this point it's a 2.68 Vista reward. Usually we keep to a 1 to 2 risk to reward, but for the sake of this video, we will aim for Asia high, lows. Sorry. So price is tapped in. We're in the trade now, and as you can see, playing out, price has gone straight to our take profit. Okay, literally 4-5 easy steps. Waiting for Asia sweep. Number 1, number 2, POI. Number 3, market structure shift. Number 4, fib retracement tool with any lower time frame POIs such as a fair value gap or an order block. And then obviously we're entering the trade, targeting the other side of the session. And there you go, guys. This trade also went on to do some ridiculous numbers. As you can see, we're in a live market right now. If you were to take this exact position, you'd be hovering around a 4R right now in the trade. So that's pretty much it, boys. I mean, the strategy is so simple. It's so simple to learn and backtest. Obviously, we go more in depth with what we teach inside the Discord. Now, if you are interested, just drop a comment or hit me a message on Instagram, which is Jake Entity Trading. Be sure to have a look at my content on there, guys, and hopefully some more YouTube videos will be on the way. Obviously, I apologise for the big break, but you know, life happens, life gets in the way. But yeah, this is the strategy in a nutshell. Hope you guys like the video, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. Peace.